Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about recent job notification. Recently, Oil India Limited released a job notification for the recruitment of Grade A and Grade B officers in technical and non-technical category. When we come to technical category, Grade B officer vacancies are present in electrical and electronics communication, mechanical and instrumentation branches. As per the notification, this recruitment and posting will be in Assam. Please subscribe the channel. You never miss notifications and updates. Now we will see the notification in detail. I am Kanchana Suresh, presently working in a Navratna company as a assistant manager in electrical department. I got All India rank 382 in GATE 2016 and I got APPG set first rank in 2015 in electrical branch. Now we will see some interesting points about Oil India Company. Oil India Company was established in February 1959 as a Oil India Private Limited. Later, it became Oil India Limited as a Government of India Enterprises in 1981. It is a Navratna PSU under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Today, Oil India Limited is a premier Indian national oil company. It is engaged in exploration, development and production of crude oil and natural gases and transportation of crude oil and production of liquid petroleum gases. When we look into the vision of the fastest growing energy company with a global presence providing value to the stakeholders. Presently, the Government of India has share of 56.66% and the current employee strength is 7,097 as on 2019 data. These Grade B officers will be posted as a senior officer with a basic pay of 60,000 to 1,80,000 with annual increment of 3%. We will get around 80 to 82,000 in hand salary. Now we will see minimum essential qualification for applying this post. For the post senior officer electrical category, the post code is EE15. The minimum qualification is bachelor degree of minimum 4 years duration in electrical engineering with minimum 65% marks. Only electrical engineering candidates are eligible to apply, excluding electrical and electronics engineering, electrical and communication engineering, electrical and instrumentation engineering candidates are not eligible to apply this post. For senior officer electronics and communication post, the post code is E&C16. The minimum qualification is bachelor degree of minimum 4 years duration in electronics and communication engineering or electronics and telecommunication engineering with minimum 65% marks. Here also electrical and communication engineering or electronics and instrumentation engineering or applied electronics and instrumentation engineering branches are not eligible to apply this post. For senior officer mechanical category, the post code is ME18. The minimum qualification is bachelor degree of minimum 4 years duration in mechanical engineering with 65% mark. Here also automation, automobile, industrial, power, manufacturing, production, mechatronics, mining, marine, robotics engineering candidates are not eligible to apply senior officer mechanical post. For senior officer instrumentation category, the post code is INS20. The minimum qualification is bachelor degree of minimum 4 years duration in instrumentation engineering with 65% mark. Here also electronics and instrumentation engineering, instrumentation and control engineering, applied electronics and instrumentation engineering, power electronics and instrumentation engineering, instrumentation and control engineering candidates are not eligible to apply these posts. Now we will see relaxation in education qualifications and relaxation in age. When we talk about relaxation in education qualification, there is no relaxation given for OBC, SC and ST candidates and PWD candidates. When we talk about age relaxation and age limit, upper age limit is 27 years as on 10th October 2021. This 10th October 2021 is the last day to apply these posts, and 32 years age is limit for SC and ST category, 30 years age limit for OBC non-creamy layer category, and 10 years relaxation given for PWD candidates belonging to general category, and 13 years age relaxation given for PWD candidates belong to OBC non-creamy layer category, and 15 years age relaxation given for PWD candidates belongs to SC and ST category, and 5 years age relaxation given for candidates who are Jammu and Kashmir. Now we will see vacancies and distribution of vacancies among the categories. For senior officer electrical category, the total vacancies are 6. 3 vacancies are allotted to unreserved category and 2 vacancies are allotted to OBC category and 1 post is allotted to SC category. For senior officer electronics and communication post, total vacancies are 2. 1 vacancy is allotted to unreserved category and 1 vacancy is allotted to EWS category. For senior officer mechanical post, total vacancies are 10. 4 vacancies are allotted to unreserved category, 1 vacancy is allotted to EWS category and 3 posts are allotted to OBC category, 1 post is allotted to SC and ST category. For senior officer instrumentation, the total posts are 2. These 2 posts are allotted to unreserved category. Now we will see application fee. For general and OBC category, the total application fee is 500 plus taxable. No application fee for SC, ST, EWS and ex-servicemen. Now we will see selection process. This selection process consisting in 2 phases. In phase 1, computer based test is there. This computer based test is 100 marks examination and total weightage for this examination is 85%. Those who are qualified in the computer based test, they are called for interview in particular year ratio based on the vacancies. In phase 2, group discussion or group task is there. 30 marks for group task or group discussion and the weightage is 5%. And next stage is personal interview. This personal interview total marks is 10 marks and weightage is 10%. Here in the notification they are not mentioned the syllabus for the computer based test. Now we will see important dates. 15th September 2021 is the online application opening date and 10th October 2021 is the last date to submit the application in online in Oil India web portal. Thank you watching this video. If you have any queries or if you want any tips or any suggestions for preparation in GATE or some PSU examination, you can feel free to contact me on my mobile or write a mail to me. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. A very good day.